How to delete your Discord account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to permanently remove your account through the app. First, open the Discord app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. From there, tap the U tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the gear icon at the top right to open your user settings. At this point, tap on Account to open your account details. From there, scroll down and tap Delete Account. Following this, a pop-up will appear, letting you know that before you can delete your account, you need to transfer ownership of any servers you currently own. At this stage, go ahead and transfer ownership of all your servers to another member before proceeding. Discord won't let you continue until this is done. Once all server ownerships have been transferred, head back into the same account settings and tap Delete Account again. From here, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the deletion process. Finally, once confirmed, your Discord account will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind that Discord typically gives a short window before the deletion is fully processed, so if you change your mind, you may still be able to recover your account by logging back in within that period. That's how you delete your Discord account on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.